Hi, and welcome to this new video on creating a guard tour. A guard tour is similar to a tour. It contains a group of cameras in a designated sequence. However, you can configure a guard tour to include steps that require user input. To create a guard tour, select the Create New Item icon and select Guard Tour. Firstly, enter a name and a description of the guard tour. Configure the guard tour by using a combination of cameras, yes or no logic, and OK dialog boxes. The green flag represents the start of the guard tour. And once your camera configuration has been configured, select the Save icon. The guard tour has now been created. To view the guard tour that you just created, select the Call-ups icon. You can then double click on the name of the guard tour that you just created, and the guard tour will be displayed.